The deeper we look into our oceans, the less we truly understand. Although science insists that no underwater civilizations, alien bases, or non-human creatures are confirmed, the evidence, legends, and military encounters tell a very different story. A story that suggests these possibilities are far from impossible. For thousands of years, cultures separated by oceans have spoken of beings beneath the waves. The Taino of the Caribbean described an underwater people. Sailors reported sirens throughout the Atlantic. Japanese fishermen told of pale, human-shaped entities in the deep. In the Antarctic, modern crews speak of the Ningen, a massive white humanoid gliding silently under the ice. Different continents, different time periods. Yet their descriptions echo each other. This doesn't confirm underwater beings exist, but it certainly raises the question, what were they all seeing? But the most surprising reports don't come from legends. They come from the military. Over the last few decades, naval forces have repeatedly encountered objects that behave unlike anything made by humans. U.S. Navy sonar operators have tracked unknown objects traveling underwater at speeds no submarine can reach. In the Pacific, pilots described craft dropping from the sky into the ocean at impossible angles without a splash, like the water wasn't even there. The famous Tic Tac incident revealed something extraordinary. An object that moved between the air and the sea with no visible propulsion. No wings, no heat signature. It simply dove straight into the ocean and vanished. Russian naval archives contain similar encounters: fast-moving underwater lights, circular craft rising from the depths, and sonar readings that defy known physics. These aren't myths. These are official reports from trained military personnel. And while none of this confirms an underwater civilization, it proves something else. There is intelligence operating in the ocean that we do not understand. Science shows us that life thrives in places we once believed were impossible. In molten vents, frozen abyssal plains, and toxic environments with no oxygen or sunlight, creatures glow, transform, regenerate, and survive crushing pressure. If evolution can achieve this, why couldn't intelligent life evolve in the deep, or survive there after a cataclysm? Then we look at the ancient ruins already found underwater. The massive stone steps of Yonaguni in Japan, the submerged temples of Herakleion in Egypt, the lost city of Dwarka in India, and the cube-shaped structures and pyramids near Cuba, buried a mile beneath the sea. These ruins prove that entire civilizations have already been swallowed by the ocean. If advanced cultures existed before our recorded history, before the last ice age, their descendants, technology, or records could still be hidden in the deep. So yes, nothing is officially confirmed. No government has admitted to underwater beings or alien bases. No scientist has declared the existence of aquatic civilizations. But legends, eyewitness reports, unexplained structures, and military encounters all point toward the same truth. The ocean may be home to secrets far older and far more intelligent than we ever imagined. Maybe one day we will finally uncover what truly lives beneath the waves. Until then, the deep remains silent, watching us from the darkness below.